Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that. How to invite friends to like page on Facebook. So for this we have different ways by which we can invite our friends to like our Facebook page, and I will show you all the steps one by one. So watch till the very end so you don't miss any steps. So the first step is to open your Facebook app. So this is my Facebook page on which I want to invite my friends. So the first step is step on the three lines. And from here, tap on your profile icon of your page and you will see the three dots. Tap on this. And here are the options. Share a profile or your page link. If you will, tap on this option, share profile, and tap on this option, copy link. So by this way, you can share your Facebook page profile with the help of WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and through other platforms. And the option, your page link, is the same, just like above. And the next step is go back from here and scroll it down and you will see the option. Invite friends to like your page, simply tap on this one. And tap on this option, switch your profile, because for this purpose you have to switch your Facebook page to your profile. And here is the invitation page, and the daily limit is up to 1,000. So if you want to select 1,000, then simply tap on this option. Select all. So as you see, 1,000 is selected out of 2345 and simply tap on this option, send invitations. So by this way, you can send an invitation up to your 1,000 friends daily. So it was a way by which you can invite friends to like your page on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.